Hello everyone. Today we came up with another video. Today Ansu got a gift from his MiMi. Beta got a gift from MiMi from her first salary. Okay, let's open it. Okay. So what is this? This is monster truck.
Let's open it.
Okay, let's open it. How to open? Okay, let's open it here. Okay, and let's open it here. Wait. Wow. Wow. What color this is?
Green.
This is a green monster truck. Do you like it? Okay.
You want it. This is
Okay, this is green one.
this one red.
This one red. Wow, it's so cool. Okay. And
I want purple.
this one purple. Okay, you want purple? What color this?
Purple.
Okay, this one orange. Oh wow. This is wow. So which color is best? Which is your favorite color?
Let's put it back.
Okay.
Put it back.
Okay. Put it back. Okay. Cool. Let's go. You want to ride the monster truck? Beta?
Jump in the sky.
This is jump on the sky. Let's see here. It will go here like this. See? Wow!
Let's try again.
Let's try again. Wow! It's so cool.
Let's try again.
Okay. Yeah. It's trying to.
I don't want purple.
You?
I want orange.
Oh, you want orange?
Yes, I want orange.
Okay. Wow! What is happening?
This is spinning around.
This is spinning around? Okay. Okay, let's put all the cards together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So let's say all the colors, beta. Let's color.
Are you ready?
Okay. So this color is purple and
Orange.
and what other colors are there? Okay, there are black
Green.
and green
Red.
and purple and orange. See, orange. It has orange color as well. So what is written on this? See what is written, beta. What is written here? KEEPAHEAD. Keep ahead. Let's say thanks to Fuchu Mimi.
Thank you, Futamich.
This is the gift from Kiyo's MiMi. Okay, she got job and she has given the gift from her first salary. Okay, thanks to her, and also thanks to you watching for our videos. Okay, let's be with us. Be safe. Please subscribe our channel and like the video. Okay, and click the bell icon for more videos. So bye bye. Be safe. Okay, bye bye, Urdo. Bye bye.
Bye.
See you on the next video.
Bye.